in the box?
Hi, and welcome to Popphotography. On today's What's in the Box, we got it, folks. You know what it is just by seeing the label on the box. Our toy temple Ezrabridger has finally arrived. So excited for this one. I think you are too. So let's not waste any time. Let's get this bad boy open. Very nice indeed. So it is one of those, and I figured I did. I ordered this like moments as soon as it came available. I did get the first to market sticker, limited edition, kind of cool, as well as a limited edition toy temple. Came a little pop protector and everything. Very nice because I'll eventually shoot this guy and probably want to put him back in this. I just love this character. I loved growing with Ezra through the 6 seasons of Rebels, so I'm just so excited, and to see him now in Ahsoka, it's amazing. So this was that last scene.
And remember, the Force will be with you always.
Enough gabbing about this guy and looking him in the box. Let's get them all out. We'll get to take a look at them, and we'll put them on the turntable for you. But yeah, this pop is everything I thought it would, living up to the expectation. Very cool little Funko Pop. As you can see, Ezra got the shorter hair, sort of the same outfit, but a little more what he was wearing towards the season finale and everything. Just a great looking Funko Pop. Also, I did notice, again, this one has that kind of matte base I've been talking about, a little bit different than the glossy that typically would happen on the Star Wars Funko Pop, but the posing and everything on this just looks so on the money. I'm just so impressed with this. It looks great. Little scar on the cheek and everything. Very cool looking. So what I'll also do is, while we're here, we'll compare this one to the original Star Wars Rebels pop that we have of Ezrabridger. All right, so let's compare the new Ezra versus the original Ezrabridger Funko Pop that we got. So just look at them both. They're both iconic in their own way. I know everyone has a hard time choosing, and so would I. Like, which one do I like better? I do like the sculpting of the new version better. And I like the scar on the cheek and the short hair. Okay, I love all that. I love this because it has, when we first met Ezra, the longer flowing blue locks. But I guess the more important reason I'd like the OG is because it also has his OG lightsaber, which we lost in one of the seasons when it gets destroyed in one of his lightsaber battles. But this was the staple gun version that we all reference. That would also be a blaster if need be. So it's kind of a hybrid blaster and lightsaber all in one. A really cool, unique weapon that we had not seen ever until Ezra. So I thought it was really neat. But when he reconstructed his newer one, he did not add that. So kind of something I always wish he went back to, but I think that's why I probably like this one, because of that, the longer hair and that, but I really love this one. So again, we're going to put this one on the turntable now for you to get a better look at, and we'll put them both together so you get a better look at both of them. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. I hope you got yourself one of these new Ezrabridgers from the Toy Temple exclusive. But curious, do you have the original? Did you get the new one? Which one do you like better? Leave that in the comments below. And again, if you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Popphotography. Until then, may the Force be with you.